Ah, so you came across another one of my shit posts, huh? Well, sure, I'll entertain you. How about we mod a CetusX and go from flying like this to flying like this?
I know I'm in your head. I know I'm in your head. But she's laying in your bed.
All you need is the CetusX, a 3D printer, and if you want to check out the drone design and specs, everything's in the description. So now that your drone is built, I'm going to show you how I like to quick tune all my drones to enhance the flight performance off the rip. Works with any drone tested from micro to 5-inch and takes less than 10 minutes. So first thing you're going to want to do is download and connect to Betaflight. And then you're going to want to navigate to the OSD. Once you get to the OSD, you're going to look for throttle position, and you're going to want to check in the first box. This is going to help us get an accurate reading later. Next, you're going to go to PID tuning and click on rate profile settings. I won't be going over PID tune specifically today, just how to tweak your throttle control. You're going to change your throttle mid to 0.50 and change expo to 0 if not already by default. Go ahead and save all your work, and that should do for now. Alright, now when we're test flying, we're looking for two specific things: where the drone hovers and where it takes off in the air. That's where the throttle position, the OSD, comes in, as it would be a lot less reliable to just feel it. So I come off the ground here at 14, but that's not where I hover. I notice I get a good hover around 17, but I'm gonna keep flying around just to make sure. A good way to test this is to just fly in a straight line and try to hover to get the most accurate reading. But since I fly chaotic freestyle, I want to tune the drone to be able to respond better to panic. Now at this point, I'm looking for where that drone takes off in the air. I see that 30 gives me a good boost. Where the drone takes off is typically under the 50% threshold. Just enough to get you maybe over a building or over that tree to hit that loop. It should be just enough to push the drone, but not enough for the drone to be flying at full speed. Alright, so now that you have your estimated values, you can head back into Betaflight and plug those numbers in. For me, I'm going with 17 and 30. After you're done, go ahead and hit save, and there you go. That's how you quick tune your drone. Alright, now go ahead and fly it around, test it out, and make small tweaks depending on what works best for you.
But she's laying in your bed. I bet you wish you're out there instead. I know I'm in your head. I could go all night long, singing to every song. I know you love it when I work it. I could go all night long, singing to every song. I know you love it when I work it. And now I'm in your head. And now I'm in your head.
Alright, final touch up is to turn that pesky throttle position off unless you need it for some reason. And if you enjoyed this project, consider sharing it to a friend. Also, join the Lock Nation while you're at it, aka subscribe.